Hello guys, so this is the last part of the tutorial, and for this and for all the tools and template kits that I'll be using in this tutorial, they'll be all available in my Telegram channel. Yeah, all the Elementor Pro and all the plugins that I use will all be available in my Telegram channel. To join my Telegram channel, click the link, check my bio, you see Telegram channel. Join my Telegram channel, you are going to get all the resources, all the template kits and plugins I use for this website. So let's get to it. So after installing our plugins and our themes, then we go on to create pages. So go to the page menu, and scroll down. Come on. Network is a bit bad. Okay. Go to the page menu, scroll down, then delete all these pages. Move them to trash. Then you add new page. So for our business sites, we're just creating a simple business site. This is just for tutorial purpose. You can do it. My method works in every aspect. So you're going to put home, your home page. Home, your home page. It's going to be your home page. Publish. Click on publish it. And to clear this, or this process works on both PC and Android. The process I use in creating this website, it works on both PC and Android. You can follow my process on your Android phone, you can follow my process on your system. It doesn't limit you from creating websites. So you can use it to learn, and you can use it to create demos for your clients. So let's get back to it. Then I'm going to add new page again and click my next page. Let's use home as a business website. About us, home, about us, home, about us, and works. And okay, home, about us, and contact us. Everything. Okay, let me use home, about us, and portfolio. Yes, business site, portfolio. Let's just use these three for now. You can add more pages depending on the kind of business site you plan on doing. We're done here. So I'm done here. So let me go back to my admin. Okay, this is the shortest form to go back to your admin, other than clicking back and back. Just delete all this here, and press enter. Yeah, then you go back to the admin page, go back to the dashboard page. So these are all the pages we have created. So this is a tutorial. It's just a simple how to create it easily, no stress. So now we have created our pages, we are going to create our menu. Then we'll go to appearance, menus. Let me open this in new tab, menus. we'll name it main menu. Name it main menu. Then we create it. Okay. Then under this main menu, I'm going to add these pages: portfolio, about us, and home. Add to the menu. So if you want to create a sub menu, if you want to create a sub menu, you just drag it. It should be under here. It will turn to a sub menu. If you want to create a sub menu, don't worry, I will show you an example. I will show you what I mean. So save your menu. Menu saved. Now we are going to create the header section. I want us to create the header section of the site first. So for the header section, okay, let us check our site. Okay, this is it. For the header section, I'm going to use my theme. We'll now go back to Astra, customize, open it in new tab. I open them in new tab to make everything organized. Open it in new tab. The network here is really bad, so wait a little bit. So I now have to go to header builder. Yes, header builder. So as for the primary menu, we're going to be using click on your primary menu, configure it. We'll be using main menu. That you select main menu, the menu we created here. The menu we created here, you select it. Then you click on. Okay, so it's not organized. It's not organized. See, portfolio, home, portfolio, about us, home. It's not organized. Then we now have to go back to our menu. Then we'll organize it. Home, portfolio, about us, and save menu. Save it. Then we come back. Yeah. Then we click on menu. Yeah, it's now organized. Then you click on publish. Then we go back, and as for the now go back to the header builder again. Now go to site logo. Then we input our logo. This is our logo. Input our logo. The logo I installed, the logo I imported before from the last video. This is it. Expand it to fit the crop image. Our advice will use a PNG. Yeah, a PNG image. Let me find a PNG of this logo. Let me find a PNG image of this logo. Select files. Okay, this is a PNG of the logo. So expand it. Yeah. So now we reduce the logo width. We reduce the logo width because we reduce the logo width, it's too big. Reduce it to make sure it matches. Yeah, it's okay like this. Then you come here. This is you change it. This is for the responsiveness. So this is how it will look when it's on a tablet. This is how it will look when it's on a tablet. Then you change it again. This is how it will look when it's on a mobile phone, a normal mobile phone, not a tablet, a normal mobile phone. So for mobile phones, we reduce the width a little bit because it's too big. See, it's too big. Reduce it a little bit. Let's just put it 20 because we want mobile responsiveness. Then we click on publish. Then we go check out our logo. Go check out our work, what we have done. This is it, but let's inspect it. Let's inspect it. Okay, let me iPhone 14 Pro Max. Okay, you see that our logo is too small. It's too small. So meaning we still have a lot of work to do. That means the 20 is too small. Meaning I want to go back to the customization and increase it to 40. Then publish. Make sure any changes you make, you go back to the site. You go back to the link to the site here. This elevateintech.liveblog.365 to check, or you use your own, or your own may be different from my own. You check to see to view your changes. Check to view your changes. So this is it. Okay. Now you look at it that it is now bigger and better. It is much bigger and better now. So there we move on to, then after that is done, put it back to desktop mode, normal desktop mode. Put it back to normal desktop mode. Back to normal desktop mode. As for this tutorial sake, I'm going to come to header types. Your different header types, different style of header. But for me, I like using the transparency header. Yes, I like using the transparency header. So I like using the transparency header. So this is I like using the transparency header. You can choose the complete different types. So guys, after you are done, you put it on, you click on enable on complete website. Okay, enable on complete website, then click on publish, so that it will be in all your pages. Okay. Then you go back. For those asking how will I see different, you can come here, header present. If you come here to header presets, you see different types of header presets, how you want the header to look, choose this way, or this way, or this way. There are many options for me to choose from, so for this tutorial purpose we are just using the first one. That was what I mean by header template. So using this one for this tutorial purpose. So after that we go back. We now go to the footer. We remove the copyright. Remove the copyright. Copyright is down here. Remove the copyright. Then click on publish. So we go back to our site to check how it is. Refresh. Okay. This is how the site is now looking. We will now go back to our dashboard. Go back to our dashboard. Okay, so this is the menu. So go back to our dashboard. This is the dashboard. Go back to our dashboard. We start editing the pages. One by one. Then go to pages. Go down to home. Edit. I like opening them in new tab. Edit. Okay, now open the new tab. Okay, so click on edit with Elementor. Elementor is the page builder we are using. Click on edit with Elementor. Give it time to load. Skip this. Okay, this is Elementor. In Elementor you can create your pages brick by brick, but for this tutorial purpose, if we'll be going through that method, the tutorial will be very long. For this tutorial purpose, we'll be using a template kit, and the template kit I will make it accessible to you all. I told you guys from the beginning of the tutorial, you can access this in my Telegram channel. Go to my bio, click on Telegram, click on the link Telegram channel. You will find the course there. You see the materials there, or I'll put the link to the materials in the comment section. So you can get the template kit with the Elementor Pro plugin. Now let's get to it. Then we click on Envato element. Remember, we installed Envato element in the last tutorial. Click on upload templates. Okay. For this tutorial, we'll be using V2 Tech and Software Company Elementor template kits. So we'll give it time to load. As it starts load up, we'll now install the requirements. Click on install. Close. Now we have all the requirements. So now we can choose from varieties of header and footer and home page. So now we are doing the home page, so we are going to go down and look for home. And this home page, this is how the home page looks like. View it. It's very nice, very nice. Then click on insert templates. Give it time to import. There are other templates there, but I decided to, for this purpose, I decided to use V2 this V2 template kit. When you download the template file from my Telegram channel, there's other templates there you can use to practice with. But for this purpose, we are using this V2 template kit. Give it time to export. Taking a lot of times. Okay, that's imported. That's imported. It's our website. It's imported. Click on update. Click on the updates. We'll go back to the Elevate in Tech. Then we'll click on refresh. So now this is a crucial way of how I do it. I always make my page. My page is the front page of my website. Yes, I make my pages. Some people use themes as the landing page, the front page of the website, but me, I use my page. So for me to do that, this home, for me to make it the front page of my website, I will have to now go back to my dashboard. Go back to I can do the let's do this in the Astra plugin. Let's do this in the Astra. But let me just for you guys to not be confused. Let's do this from the settings. We go to reading. Then you click on static page, home page. You select home. Scroll down and click on save changes. Changes is now saved. Then if we go back to our website, we refresh it. Yeah, it's now changed. This is how it looks. It's now changed. This is how it looks. Changed. So now we're going to edit our home page, give it some color and some other things. Then we'll go back to Elementor. Back to Elementor. This is our home page. Click on style. For the background type, click on classic. We just need a classic. No, just need a classic color. Something not too big or too small. Yeah, we need something blue. This has to do with tech. Okay. Tech. Scroll down to look how the site works. So from my observation, I observe the site is not complete, it's missing something. So we now have to go back to the Elementor. But this time around, we'll not be using free kits from Elementor. Or let us use the free blocks. Yes, use the free blocks. Then you search for hero section. Okay. Section. Okay. You can pick anyone you want, but for this tutorial's sake, I will be using this. I'll be using this. Then this. Update it. So during the tutorial, I deleted my navigator, which was wrong. So I'm going back to get my navigator. So from my navigator, I'm going to move this up to be in the first section. So I want this to be what people see first. So if you don't know where I got the navigator from, because I deleted it, I got it from here. Came down here and I got it from here. So with that being said, I move up. So this is our starting point. If I go back to the site and I refreshed, this is how it's going to look. So now I'm going to do some major changes to the website. So firstly, I want to change all this to white. Then I go back to customize from the Astra. Please hope you guys are following me. Then I go back to the header builder, allowing menu, go to design, For text color, we're going to use white. They should be in white color. White color. Should be in white color. They should be in white color. And go back to site and logo. Site title and logo. Go to design. Title color, put it to white. Also publish. So when we come back to the website, we refresh. You see it's now popping out the way it should. So for this tutorial purpose, if you are using blue, I'm just doing this to show you how it works. If you are using blue, as I'm using blue now, my logo is not popping out. So design wise, you shouldn't use this kind of blue when your logo is like this. So I'm just explaining. So go back to the customize. After I've made those changes, now we have to change all this. Go back to our Elementor. Delete this. Then change this to this. Okay. Let me get it. Okay, it should be capital later. Elevate in tech. Then you scroll down. This our vision. Let's change the color of this. It's not looking good with the blue. But this, I'm going to change the style to, let's go to this. Let's use custom colors. No. Let me try gradients. Color will be best. I'm going to change all this to white. I'm going to change all this text to white. Comes to style. Change the color to white. Come to style. Change the color to white. Come here. Change the color to white. You do the same thing for others. You click on them, change your color to white. You click on them, change your color to white. You click on them, come to style, change your color to white. If you want to edit the text, you just click on them. You can edit it from here. Click on them, you can edit them. So with that being said and done, let's move down here. I don't want this tutorial to be that long. Let's move down here. Move down. Show you guys how to change the color. So using this same color, click on it. Using the same color is there. Using the same color is here. Using the same color is there. You copy it. Scroll down. Scroll down, you pick this. And you paste it. Okay, that's what you do for this one too. Copy it. Come here. And you paste it. You do for this one also. This one too. You can decide to change the colors also, the same way I showed you guys from the rest, the same method. Change it to white. This process works on all templates. Just use the same method I use. It works on all templates. It works on all the templates I have in my Telegram channel. So after that, you update. Then you go back and you refresh to see the changes you have made. Look at it. You see the changes you have made. Look at it. Then you scroll down. Scroll down. This is it. Scroll down. This is it. Now the website is coming up really well. It's coming up really well. It's coming up really well. So the website is coming up really well. So as for this, change all the colors to white. For this, I don't want this tutorial to be long. Okay, change all of this to white as I showed you before. Change everything here to white. Okay, this is it. Okay, now let me show you guys how to add a footer. Yeah, I want to show you how to add a footer. The website must have an header and a footer. So to add the footer, you just go back to the dashboard, go to plugins, click on Elementor header and footer settings, open link in a new tab. Please, if you are stuck anywhere you don't understand, just drop a comment. When in the Elementor header and footer, you click on add new, skip all this. Yeah, starting with the footer. footer, and this type of template, you select footer, display on entire website, and you publish it. You can use this method to create your own custom header. You can use this method to create your own custom header, but this is the footer we are doing. The header, I told you I use Astra. I use the theme to create my header. You can decide to use Elementor to create your header through this process. So let's dive into it. Click on Edit with Elementor. Edit Elementor. Click on Elevator Element. Then we're going to go back to here. Then we're going to find your footer. Okay, this is your footer. This is your footer. Insert template. This is footer. You can delete this or you can change this to your own. Just click on it, you can delete it, you can change it to your own. Change it to 2024. Yeah, we're gonna put the logo. I'm gonna reduce it to big. You can add both your logo and text, or logo is your choice. So after adding the logo, you can edit any of these, the quick contact, other pages. You can add dates and link it to them. You can add it and link it to them. You can add it and link it to them. You can add more. You can add it and link it to them. You can edit it. You can paste your link here. You can paste any link here. I can link this privacy policy to the home page. Or all I just have to do is just to come here, copy the home page link. Copy the home page link. Come back here and paste it and update. So if I come here now and refresh, this is actually the footer. So if you scroll down here, you see we already have a footer here. If I click on this, take the home page, refresh, take me to the home page. I link it. You can link it to it. That's how you link your site. That's how you can link it to any page. Just drop the link on the page there. So I want to edit this color, is very dull. So let's go to style, delete this. I'm going to put use this color. Then we change all the text here to white. Do this, change all the text here to white. Same thing here. Change all the text here to white. Same thing here. Change all the text here to white. Update. Okay, let me check. Change. Go back. Click on copyright style. Text color, change it to white. Click on this content. Go to style. Change it to white. Color, text. Change it to white. Color, text. Change it to white. You can play with all the settings here. For the sake for this tutorial to not be long, you can play with the rest of the settings here. So this is it. This is how the website is now looking. This is the footer. The footer is okay. You can add your quick contact, email, phone number. You can link it to social media, as I explained before. To link to social media, just click on the social media on the box. You come to content, the Facebook. You come here, the link. You paste the link, then you save it. As I showed you in the other one, you come here, you paste the link, and you save it. Let me show you an example of what I mean. You want to link your Facebook. You put your Facebook handle, your Facebook link there. Like, let me say Facebook. Okay. If I copy the link, so okay, this link of Facebook. Say this is just for test. I copy the link. Then I come back here and for Facebook, I put this. Then I update it. If I come back to the site, I refreshed. If I click on Facebook, it will take me here. That's what I mean. So let's go back. So this is the footer. We're done with the footer. Now let's check the responsiveness for mobile. Go to inspect. Okay. Let's check iPhone 14 Pro Max. Okay, it's quite responsive. It's quite responsive. It's quite responsive. Please guys, you are free to play with the settings, you are free to play with everything. I just showed you the essentials, what is needed. You can play with the settings, you can add more free blocks, you can play with it. This is it. So cancel it. Okay. So we are almost done here. So as for the other pages, if you click the other pages, the portfolio, nothing, this just comes up. So as for the portfolio and the other pages, you come here, come to pages, and for the portfolio, let's use about us. For the about us, open link in new tab, come here, edit with Elementor, mind you, you can use 5, 10 templates or 10 templates to create one site. I do that sometimes. You can use 5 templates or 10 templates to create one to do one site. That is the reason why I put enough templates in. That is why I put enough templates in the folder that is uploaded in my Telegram, so you guys can play with it and explore more around this. So go back to inverted element for the about us, go to Vict company, look for about us, this is about us. This about us is too long. Now let me install another template kit that will have a different style and simple about us. Let's go for using startup tech. Install the necessary environment. Close. Okay, this is the about us page. So we're going to pick from this insert template. I'm going to pick from this. You can search through from other templates that I put there, but this is what I'm using in case in the process of the tutorial. So it's almost okay, it's done. So okay, scroll down. Okay, now there is no images. The reason why it's showing like this is because there is no image. So I'm going to eliminate the images. Use solid concrete backgrounds. Okay, first let me delete this. Well, I was looking for the color that I used before. Change it to white. Yeah. Okay. So for all these other ones, the workflow, all these other ones, you can add your image. You can add your image. You can come add the image. You can come add the image. All the other ones, you can come add the image. The other ones, you can come add the image. Come add the image. Let me use this image. Yeah, add this image. So that's how you do for the rest of them. Adding image, making your changes. Just that's how you do for all of them. I've showed you guys how to add link. That's how you do for all of them. I don't want this tutorial to be that long, so this is for the about page. The way I did this about page, that's the same way I'm going to do for the portfolio. You install other templates there. That's how you do. You can do this on your phone, you can do this on your laptop, you can do this on any device and it's responsible. But if you're using your phone, make sure your phone is like 6 to 8 gig RAM plus, and so it won't hook. Just make sure your phone is 6 to 8 gig RAM plus, so you can create this website on anywhere and any place. So then after that, we'll go back to our refresh. Go back to our, this thing, refresh. Then we'll click on about us. This is how it to come out. That's how to come out. And if we check the responsiveness on mobile, if we check the responsiveness on mobile, is well responsive. Let me go to iPhone 14 Pro Max. Is well responsive. Okay. This is not responsive. This is not okay. Okay, it's responsive. Let's see. Okay, it's responsive. It's responsive for mobile. Just takes time to load. It's responsive for mobile. That's the reason why I told you. That's the reason why we downloaded. That's the reason why we downloaded this plugin. That's the reason why we downloaded this plugin. WP Optimize for cases like this. It will seem as if your website is not responsive, but it's because of the kit. It's because of the crutch. So you optimize it. When you optimize it, it makes your website loads more faster. You optimize it. Come here to crutch. Enable page crutching. Then you save changes. You save it to crutch. Okay, let's say okay, 24 hours is okay. 24 hours is okay. So this is the website. It's responsive on mobile. It's responsive both on mobile. So when we click on this get started, now let me do that. If we click on this get started, it will take us to about us. But firstly, I'll have to go to about us. Let's go to about us. Copy the link. Then go to our homepage. Our homepage Elementor. In the get started now, remove this hash. Input the link to the about us. So anytime they click on this get started, it takes them to about us. That's how you do it. I've explained this link to you. I've explained everything I feel needed for you to make a simple business site sharply. All the template kits and everything are ready for you. All you need to do is just follow my steps, explore more on it, and you'll be doing wonderful, beautiful sites.